Hello viewers, here is a Hawaiian Breeze pedestal stand fan. This is from March of 2005 and it is manufactured by Medea, so it's probably of satisfactory quality. I'll get the model number into the video here. There we go. Oh, no, not quite. FS5-40 perhaps? I don't know, I'll take a look at it when I get the thing apart. This wave thing here very much reminds me of SMC, though I don't believe SMC was the manufacturer of this. It's in kind of rough condition. It's very, very dirty. That's cracked. Some parts are yellowed. The stand's a bit mangled and some of these legs are a little bit loose. But for free, who can complain? I don't think any of that is anything that can't be fixed. So let's see first if it works. Otherwise the whole thing's probably not worth bothering with. Okay, and started off, it's going to begin with speed 1, which is kind of nice. Speed 1. So it does run, it doesn't really move any air. That's to be expected with the amount of dust on the guards. Well, actually it moves some air. Not much of anything to write home about though. Let's see if it'll oscillate. It does appear to oscillate just fine. Okay, speed 2. And speed 3. Again, it works, but the airflow is fairly minimalistic. Let's see what the spin down time is going to be. Huh, surprisingly decent. Huh. Alright, well that works. We'll take this apart and clean it up and get it going again.